Fix in 5. Let's decode P0565. Cruise control on signal malfunction, electrical or switch signal fault. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Cruise control does not activate, cruise control intermittently engages or disengages, check engine light illuminated, cruise control buttons unresponsive. Now the most likely causes. Faulty cruise control switch assembly. Wiring or connector issues in cruise control circuit. Cruise control module malfunction. Battery voltage instability affecting signal transmission. Damaged or corroded electrical connections. How to fix it? Replace cruise control switch assembly. Repair or replace damaged wiring in cruise control circuit. Clean and reseat all electrical connectors. Replace cruise control module if diagnosis confirms failure. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 to €120 doing it yourself, or €165 to €240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0565? The cost to fix P0565 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make, model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cow. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0565. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.